Hello, welcome to my presentation. My name is G.Neelakanta from Cybersecurity Department of Section A. Today's topic is blockchain technology and AI-based natural gas industrial IoT system in architecture and design issues. What is a blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is decentralized ledgers of all transactions across a peer-to-peer network. Using this technology, participants can perform transactions without the need for a central certifying authority. Potential applications include fund transfer, settling trades, voting, and many others. Business network benefit from connectivity, connected customers, suppliers, banks, and partners. Wealth is generated by the flow of goods and services across business network. Anything that is capable of being owned or controlled to produce value is an asset. There are two fundamental types of assets: tangible, example a house; intangible, and it is a mortgage. With the development of smart society, there have been rapid changes in industrial system. Distributed computing nodes are connected into a mutual coordinated organic integrity through advanced computer network technology. That is the Internet of Everything. With the popularization of Internet of Things, devices, sensors, and software technology, a faster urbanization, speed, sustainability changes people's daily lives, which result in rapid increase of energy demand. In a conventional energy system, electric energy, coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the most widely used energy sources in figure 1. However, the development of energy industry is comparatively backward. To be specific, the energy supply of petroleum and natural gases is always challenged, which is largely caused by outdated and inefficient practices in the process of pipeline, the network maintenance and data collection. Therefore, the industrial IoT has become the future development trend in the energy industry. For increasing demand for natural gas energy, the article researches a solution on how natural gas IoT becomes more intelligent and reliable. In figure 1 shows a daily supply and demand scenario of natural gas energy. When using natural gas for energy supply at home, user A puts forward a purchase request to a natural gas supply site A after finding the inventory balance of natural gas insufficient from a gas meter. At the moment, site A serves three users, user A, C, and D. Such a centralized energy supply may make the indicator at site A, such as natural gas load, temperature, and pressure exceed safety limits. User B submits a purchase request to site B, whose natural gas inventory is also insufficient. However, site B does not report the situation in advance, which causes supply failure of natural gas to user B. The above scenarios have exposed problems and challenges on existing natural gas IoT, which include but are not limited to blockchain applications for the natural gas industry. Blockchain technology has emerging areas of deployment in diverse sectors and use cases. In this study, several potential applications areas of blockchain with promising benefits have been identified in the natural gas industry. There is no single solution that can address different challenges and meet disparate requirements. Therefore, it is important to understand the needs of natural gas industry and propose appropriate blockchain solutions. Backbone of blockchain. A value dimension based natural gas backbone means generating a smart contract by virtue of a decentralized value management system of blockchain and AI technology. It provides distributed ledgers and dynamic monitoring function by using the interaction of backbone and sidechain. Thus, the system can further ensure market independent behavior featuring competition fairness and full involvement of all subjects and multilateral connection. The sign change in the new architecture can be used for verifying and storing data through blockchain data structures, generating and updating data using consensus algorithm of distributed nodes, and ensuring safety through data transmission and accessing using cryptology. The backbone of blockchain can program using the smart contract compressing automatic script code, analyze and dig the hidden value of the natural big data using AI technology and ensure currency circulation and trusted transaction. In design issues, backbone and sidechain based on natural gas IoT architecture is proposed in this article to solve the service restrictions of all traditional natural gas industry in it. However, as emerging technologies, AI and blockchain have been well integrated it. The design issues faced in blockchain and AI-based natural gas IoT system study are discussed in this section of application scenarios of trusted natural gas based on blockchain. Expert opinion can be useful for prioritizing the most needed or expected blockchain application areas among several options. Moreover, in the literature, there is a lack of detailed case studies involving industrial experts from the natural gas sectors. Expert opinion can be useful for prioritizing the most needed or expected blockchain application areas most among several options. By considering privacy, authentication, speed, security, energy consumption, and cost, suitable blockchain types and consensus mechanism can be determined. This study presents one of the first related case studies for tailored applications of blockchain in the natural gas industry. For the proposed backbone and sidechain, the issues related to the data association must be considered. According to the objective, this sidechain must be connected to the backbone of the blockchain and self-adaptation. Further, the system should realize the mutual transfer of virtual currency between backbone and sidechain with invariance. The concept of bilateral anchoring is mainly used for the association of sidechains at present. The referable realization plans include single trustship mode, alliance mode, SPV mode, driving mode, and mixed mode. Bulk gas storage, gas pipeline network, LNG tankers, gas station, waste recycling facility, gas compressing facility, refinery, and chemical plant. Therefore, how to associate and manage the natural gas backbone and sidechain gas become prominent. Chain spanning interaction of value dimension based backbone and data dimension based sidechain. AI based natural gas industrial IoT system. The article puts forward natural gas IoT architecture based on blockchain and AI in order to address the defects of centralized energy and supply architecture. The proposed architecture is introduced in detail from the three aspects of the infrastructure sidechain of natural gas block based on data dimension and backbone of natural gas block based on value dimension. Then the design issues on the integration existence of blockchain and AI in an actual natural gas IoT scenario are discussed, including data association and interaction of blockchain, trusted identity, authentication and management, energy source and virtual currency transformation, and so on. Next, an LSTM based on natural gas load prediction model is proposed by virtue of AI technology. The transaction model based on natural gas value and supply demand relationship is also proposed by choosing the common natural gas application scenarios and taking advantage of blockchain technology. Experiment shows that the proposed model can predict demand and output load of natural gas while achieving the balance of interests of natural gas suppliers, users, and market in this transaction scenarios. On the other hand, blockchain can provide a reliable kick and open mode, the record and verify finance and business transactions. The study on trusted data authentication and traceability technology under distributed heterogeneous environment is mainly focused on authenticating data identity in natural gas IoT by using blockchain smart contract, AI, and digital signature technologies. According to the requirements for the larger amount of data should be circulated and shared in the chain. Further, the natural gas resources can be dispatched intelligently. A user's gas consumption behavior can be perceived and natural gas transaction can be reached by the natural gas big data platform after finishing trusted data authentication and traceability. Conversion system of industry, energy, and virtual currency. The blockchain and AI technology we used in the current natural gas IoT software system cannot only store and analyze the natural gas data but also move them to another energy internet. The sensor devices collect the data and different energy sources power, gas, oil, and water and store them together with the buyers purchasing demand via side by side chain. Transmits the energy big data to the backbone via chain spanning interaction technology for virtual currency circulation and transaction. Simply speaking, a user can use the energy system to sell their excessive energy and purchase another kind of energy needed with the virtual money and natural gas station here block ID, blockhead, block body, block ID of a blockchain data structure, sidechain of natural gas block based on data dimension, application layer, programmable currency, programmable finance, and programmable society. Algorithms that distributed natural gas IoT system will access a great deal of data in real time and under the support of blockchain technology. In order to realize the application of blockchain technology and AI technology in the gas industry, this section proposes feasible natural gas load prediction and transaction models. Through this, the traditional natural gas transaction is mainly dominated by national microeconomic regulation and control. In contrast, the natural gas transaction market under blockchain architecture returns the general transaction mode. On one hand, the trusted authentication nodes can launch transactions on blockchain freely as well as transaction matching and protecting the privacy of every participant. On the other hand, in consideration of maintaining the stable operation of natural gas transaction market, the key issues lie in establishing the interest balance among natural gas, the supplier and demander as the main participants of the market. The industrial Internet of Things and blockchain are two essential technologies to enable the development and continuation of a industry. We develop a blockchain based system architecture for a group of manufacturers in order to solve the issue of secure cooperation. Our strategy aims to eliminate communication and trust obstacles between business and they have partnered but do not trust one another in the absence of third party. We utilize game theory method to construct a system that creates a trustworthy environment depending on the trust value of individual devices. Especially the identification of devices is controlled dynamically via the use of multi-signature smart contract which allows for more flexibility in authenticating while still maintaining privacy. Additionally, the immutability of blockchain technology offers technical support for security audits and the construction of an accountability framework. Furthermore, one of the next steps is the integration of smart sensors and sensors network as well as data processing in our system architecture. However, the integration of smart sensors is a technical limitations as such sensors currently do not have necessary capabilities. Based on this, it can be assumed that such an interaction still requires some research and time. Here you see the daylight sounds, people's movements through sensors and raw data. You take data like extracted info from data like big data warehouse that leads to the way users apply smart lighting their schedules and other info gathering with sensors. In this article, a common natural gas transaction scenario used an example to introduce the defects of an existing natural gas energy supply system including infrastructure, transaction, variable price, inaccurate gas. To resolve the above problems, blockchain technology is introduced for distributed storage and trusted transactions.